What happened here?
I don't think he knows. Either one of them know. Watch out. Fast traffic on the left.
Yeah.
He's checking on his friend. Hey, man. Jimmy, you all right?
You got it.
Wait, there's no skid marks.
No.
We got a medical, man.
It's parked there. It looks like
Nobody in it? Is there anybody in it?
That's pretty odd, because, I mean, it looks like somebody fell asleep and just ran off the road.
Oh, the dude's in it. I'll turn around. He's sitting in the driver's seat.
He's slumped over.
You got a pulse? You got a pulse?
Yeah, he's awake. He's moving. I saw him moving.
You having a bad day, man? You drunk? Are you hurt?
Engine's still running. Texas truck. Looks like he slowed down and just fell asleep at the stop and just rolled across the road because he didn't hit with speed. The truck just kind of stopped. Passed out or heat exhaustion, who knows?
Yeah. Oh!
Shit, what's happening?
Shit! Mine fell down. I need a hand.
I'll help you.
Oh, crap.
Did it break anything?
I think
doesn't
so.
look like it broke anything.
No, the mirror.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
How did it fall?
It was on the side stand to the left.
Oh, hang on. Let me get under it.
All right.
Wait, watch out your scoot, Neil. Watch your scoot, because he might swing into you.
I got it. It's okay. It's on me. Give me that from there. Is it in one piece?
Yeah, looks like it.
All right.
Well, we got a little road repair to do, but...
How the hell did it break the left mirror?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. It fell over on this side. I see scuffs on your right side panel, but... Yeah, it fell over on this side.
Hold on. I think it was too heavy.
It just slid back or something?
Yeah. I think this basically...
Did it come unscrewed? Look, your post is totally out of there. Look.
Yeah, I think it just came unscrewed. Problem is, it's gonna be a bit difficult to get it back screwed in.
Figure it out.
I have to take a few things off.
We can do it. Yeah, you fell over on the right side, and the left side came loose. That's bizarre.
Yeah, we'll see. Want to take a break here?
Might as well. I mean, we'll fix you up. We don't need to go anywhere in a hurry.
Yeah.
Call emergency services or anybody? Oh, okay. He's trying to leave, and we're trying to convince him not to. I don't know if he's drunk or what, but he's not standing straight. He's slurring his words. Yeah, and he's saying that he curved and just went off the road. No, he teed in here. He just rolled straight. Yeah. Yeah, there's no skid marks, nothing. He just passed out. That was the best possible outcome for him right there.